Hey guys, so this is Alex and Ella. So we're gonna do some kind of activity and we're planning on building things together.
Yeah,
I bought this from
airplane.
Oh, you guys can also get it.
Yeah.
So this one is a wood shop racer car build and play. So one set assemble, and that's that. And it looks like that. And then the other one we're going to build is a fighter plane Avion chase. This is, there you go. So which one should we start?
That one.
This one, the airplane? Okay, we'll start with the airplane. Okay, let me read the instruction first. It says, step 1, place the glue on the middle of the wing, then stick to the body. Glue the 2 engine to the back of the body as shown. Alright, so let's go ahead and open it up. You want to hold on to that? Okay, so let's take out all the parts.
I glue on it.
Yeah, let's glue. We'll put that, so that's the glue. Interesting. We're gonna put an airplane together, baby girl.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see.
Yeah. Mommy? Yeah. We put the pieces on it, Mom.
Yeah.
We put the wheel on it, Mom.
Alright, so place the glue on the middle of the wing. I'm guessing this is the wing. So place the glue on the middle of the wing. Alright, so let's try that.
Oh, look, get back.
Mommy will have to do this, okay?
Hey, Mom.
We've never done this before. This is our first time doing this, so hopefully we'll be able to follow the instruction the right way. I'll just close that for now.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I see this, baby girl?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. So place the glue on the middle of the wing, then stick to the body. Glue the 2 engines to the back of the body as shown. Where's it? So, guess it shows that right there, step 1. So we'll see how to do this. So the wing, which one is the wing? Hey, am I forgetting something? So I guess this one goes like that. So like that, I guess. Alright, so let's blow. Let's dry it. It's all wet. Blow. Blow.
Come on, blow.
Your turn. Blow. You're gonna dry up the glue?
Okay.
Alright, so that might take a while to dry.
Now
We're supposed to glue the engine. Which one? That is the engine. Okay, hopefully we got the right ones. I'm guessing it's these 2.
these 2?
And you just gotta put it in like that. So let's go ahead and do that. And get the glue. You had the glue this whole time.
Baby.
You did the baby.
Can I put glue on it?
Okay, give me your hand. Okay, you put right there. Right there. Okay. Right there. Squeeze a little. Now you're gonna put right there too. Squeeze a little there. Good job. Put the first engine and Ella can put the second engine.
Yeah.
Okay, here. Put it right on that glue. Just like how the picture looks like, see?
Oh, okay, Mom. That one.
Okay, now your turn, baby girl. Put it on. Right there, on the glue. Yeah, just like brother. You see how brother do it? Awesome.
Yep. Yay!
Yay, clap your hands. You did it.
I did.
Yay, good job, Ella. You did it.
I did that one.
Yeah. Wait, hold on.
Ow.
That's for later, okay?
Sure.
We gotta follow instructions first. Can't just skip steps. Well, this one doesn't want to stick. Let's just add a little bit more glue on that one. Doesn't want to stick. Okay, so here we are. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. You got glue all over you. Okay, so next step is step 2. So this was the step 1 we did. Good job, guys.
Can I roll?
Well, we're gonna paint later.
Can I paint?
Yeah, so hold on. Okay, so step 2 is glue a side board to the left side of the body. Glue an elevator to the underside of the left engine. Glue a rudder to the side of the left engine as shown. Repeat this step on the right side with the remaining side board, elevator, and rudder. Like that. And then reviewing the parts again. So these ones, where's the other one? Who has it? You have it, Ella? Who has it?
No, me.
Oh, no. Oh, here it is. Okay, so I guess these ones go right on the side like that.
Like that, Mom?
Yes, my dear. You too, Ella, okay? Okay, how about we start with you first, alright?
Okay.
Alright, baby girl. Here, put it right there. Put it right there. Okay, well, that's fine. Mommy can do it for you. See what I did on that side? Do it on this side.
Okay.
So put it right there.
This is a sheep one.
Yeah, not that way, this way. Just like that, baby.
Me.
Watch out. Oh, be careful.
Sorry.
Okay, don't worry. So just put it on. Good job, sweetheart. You did it.
We're on you.
Okay.
And we open that wheel.
Oh no. Go get it, please.
Yeah, I did it. Got the wheel.
Okay, give me. Oh, there's only one wheel? There's 2 wheels? Okay. I think, you know what? We did it wrong with the engine. Oopsie.
Oop.
I was wrong all along. After this is done, you guys can paint it.
Yeah, paint it. We can go take a nap, Mom.
Yeah, after this.
I can put it under my pillow, Mom.
If you want, you mean. Ella.
Okay, Mommy.
Sorry. Sister can play with it. Alright, you glue this. This is the one you have to glue, okay? Okay, so put this one right here. To put them together first, and then you can paint them.
Paint them?
Yeah.
And play with them, Mom.
Yes, you can play with them too.
And you can play with that waistcoat.
Okay, ready for the second one?
And
Goes underneath the Raiders, like that, like so. Here, you want to put this underneath, baby girl?
can I put it under me?
Yeah, sister first and then you. Put it right there, just like that, baby girl. You can just watch them, that's fine.
Can I?
You showed the camera how to do it. Go. All right, good job.
We can show Daddy.
Yeah, when Daddy comes home from work, we can show it to Daddy.
We can curve it more. And we can do that wheel. And that one. Mommy, he got this wheel. Look at Mom. He goes here, Mom. He goes here.
Yeah, Step 3, it says glue missile A and missile B to the underside of the wing as shown. Slide the axle through the axle holder and glue wheels on each side of the axle. Glue the axle holder to the underside of the body. It looks like that. So I guess we're gonna put in the missile. And these are the long and short missiles. Okay, so Mommy's gonna show you how to do the first one and you can do the second one, okay?
Okay.
So this one, you put it just like that.
You can go on the table, Mom. Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
You can go on the table, Mom.
Here, hold it, sweetheart. I'm gonna put it right there, just like where. Right here, put it right there.
Right there?
Oh, good job, you did it.
I was blue.
I know, you're so awesome. Okay. Oh, okay. Whoopsie. We did it wrong again. So I guess these little things go right there.
I see you.
And we put it in the wrong area, so we'll just take it off and put it right there. Other one right there. So we did it wrong, baby. That's okay. We were able to fix it. So this is the other missile.
Yeah, this is a
I'm guessing it's a missile. Alright. So I'll do the first one. See that, Alex?
Yeah.
Put the second one. You can put the other one right there. No, not too close. There you go. Alright, you did it. Good job, my sweetheart.
Now it's done, Mom.
And we're almost done. Now we're gonna make the wheel. No, where'd the wheel go?
Oh no.
What'd you do with the wheel, sister?
I go down there, Mom.
Can you go get it, sweetheart?
Yeah. I sit down.
Yeah, you sit down.
I'm missing that wheel, Mom.
Where's the wheel, Ella? What did you do to it? Oh, down there. Alright, so here's the wheel. Of course, the kids lost interest quickly, so there we go. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna let it dry up.
Yeah.
And this is the fighter plane Avion. Not bad for a first timer. So we're gonna let it dry, and then as soon as it dries up, we'll paint it.